Another Flutter video. In today's episode, let's learn how to work with hero animation in Flutter. So first of all, let's understand what is hero animation. So the hero refers to the widget that flies between a screen. The idea is, as we have right here, a list of products. So when I go to a detail page, I want this section to do the animation and transition between these two screens. So for that, let's learn how to create it. So if you want to follow along, create a new Flutter project and you can call it Flutter underscore hero underscore animation. And then inside of your root folder, you can create this asset folder. And here I create a subfolder called image where I have all the images that I'm using inside of my list. After that, inside of our lib folder, I create this helper folder and then have the models folder, the page, and also this widget folder. So inside of this model folder, I have right here the product class where I'm providing the ID of the product, the name of the product, the category number, the list of images or the path to our image, the product price, and the product description. And after that, I have the listing. This is a class where I'm creating this static list. And inside of it, I'm initializing my list with the values for products inside of it. So after that, we have these two classes. I have right here the home.dart. This is a stateful widget, and inside of it, I'm returning a scaffolding widget. And here I'm just providing the body property. You can see right here, this is a safe area widget. And inside of it, I have a padding widget, and then I'm calling a column widget with these two sections, add top section and add product listing. So this is the top section and this is the listing. So right here for the add listing, I'm returning a ListView widget dot builder name constructor, and here I'm calling the listing and providing how many items I have inside of this list, and then call the item builder to generate each item for this list. So right here is a gesture detector returning this widget right here, product listing item, and when you click on it, you can go to the detail page where I'm providing this current product and also a background color as blue.gray. And right here for the top section is a row widget with two containers and a text widget for the title. And for each container, I'm calling an icon button and providing an icon right here. So we have the chevron left and this filter icon right here. So now let's open our widget folder, and inside of it we have this product list item. So this is a container that we are using to edit this image using the decoration image. And then we have a column widget with the name of the product, the category number, and also the price of the product. So when you click on it, we can go to the detail page. So let's open this detail page right here. And right here, I'm using this scaffolding widget with the body, and also we're using this bottom navigation bar and returning this call to action. So this button will become fixed at the bottom of the screen. And for each item, I'm returning a section using this class right here. And here we have the display. The idea is using this container and do the transition. So when we go to the detail, you can see the animation and displaying this image right here. So for that, I will do some changes right here inside of our product listing. So right here, we have to wrap this container that are displaying this image using a widget. So for that, let's wrap with a widget and call this hero widget. This is the widget responsive to do the hero animation. If you hover over it, you will see we have two required properties. The bottom one is the widget, and the first one is this tag. So this tag needs to be unique, so we need to have a unique tag for each item inside of this list. So for that, we can get the product that we are getting using dependency injection right here, and do a dot and then call the product ID. So the product ID is unique for each product, so you can use it right here. And then let's go inside of our detail page, and then inside of this container displaying this image right here, let's also wrap it with the widget and then call the hero widget. And here we are getting this product, which is this electronic, but now we are inside of this stateful widget class. So we need to do right here for the tag, it's called the widget using the lowercase w, and then do dot current electronic, and do dot and get the product ID. So with all this in place, save everything, reload your app. So when you click right here, you can see we have this animation. So when we go back, you can see the transition between this container going from the listen to the detail page. So let's improve this design or this animation a little bit more. So for that, I will do another change inside of the product listen. So I will define a new variable of type color. And this we can call this current color. So we'll get this current color using dependency injection. So do right here, require this dot current color this way. And then instead of hard coding this background color for your container, you can just come right here and call this current color. So right here in the detail, we also are providing the current color. So, but because this is a stateful widget, we are using right here the widget, the dot current color. So now we have to go inside of a home dot page. Let's call our current color. So we need to provide this current color as an argument right here. So for that, inside of add a listen, create a new object. So this will be called random. And this will be equal to the random class from the math class. So make sure you are importing from the math class. So add a semicolon right here and make sure right here is imported from the math. So this will be random with the A and N. So now copy this random and let's go inside of our item builder. So for each item inside of this list, I want to generate different background color. So for that, inside of this item builder, create a new variable and we can call this current color. This will be equal to colors class dot, actually color dot from RGBO, which stands for red, green, blue, and also the opacity. So for the opacity, this will be 1, add a semicolon, and then for each color, we have to call now the random and do right here dot, and we have this method next int. Right here we have to provide a variable for the max value you want to generate. So to be able to generate a color, let's call this 255. So now just copy, replace for the green and also for the blue. And now copy this current color. We have to provide right here for the dependency injection from both for the product list item and also for the detail page. So replace right here. So now save everything. We can see now we have different background color. And now when you click on each item, you can see now we have this animation from this container widget right here. So this is it for this video. This is how we can create hero animation using the hero widget. Give a like to this video and also share with a friend and subscribe to our YouTube channel to get notification when new videos are coming out. See you on the next one.